Meaning of discrete.
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 Discrete. The term discrete refers to something that is separate, distinct, and not continuous. In mathematics and computer science, it is used to describe variables or data that can only take on specific values and cannot be divided into smaller units. For example, the number of students in a class is a discrete variable because it can only be a whole number. In contrast, time is a continuous variable because it can exist in infinitely small fractions of a second. Discrete data can be analyzed using specific techniques, such as probability distributions and graph theory.